Hello and welcome to another Essex Bifold Door company video. This is our contemporary aluminium lantern roof, finished in a matte black and glazed with high performance self-cleaning glass. Stock colours for these roofs are available in grey, white and black, and with bespoke colours available to order. A range of glazing options can be selected in either blue, aqua, bronze or neutral. All rafters are thermally broken and only 57mm wide, allowing the maximum amount of light to flood through your home. Fully concealed fixings ensure sight lines flow gracefully and uninterrupted throughout. Our lantern roofs have an innovative glass lock system and tamper-proof fasteners to keep your home safe and secure. And don't forget to bring the outside in.